Setting up a single leg stretch, we want an imprinted spine with our tailbone on the ground. Engage your T-zone as you inhale one leg to tabletop, exhale the other. Now place the hands on the legs as you inhale, engage the T-zone, and then exhale, curl the body up. Inhale, wrap both hands around one knee, and then exhale, extend and pull the knee towards you. Inhale, return, exhale to the other side. Inhale, return, exhale, the other side. As you maintain the movement with the breath, you want to make sure that your spine is still imprinted with the floor, you're still engaging that T-zone, and you're still keeping the ribs nice and tight. We only want to move the legs as far as we can still maintain those three areas. Now what we don't want to see is a complete pulling of the leg that it actually lifts your tailbone off the floor. You can see that the leg that's extended does not extend as close to the ground anymore because you've completely shifted that pelvic position. We also don't want to be pulling on the neck to try and get closer towards the knee. What we want instead is just that imprinted spine, engaging the T-zone, keeping the ribs tight, and just moving according to the ability to maintain those 3 points. So exhale, pull, inhale, return, exhale, pull.